What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rust-Oleum custom mix series. That's where we take different Rust-Oleum colors, we shoot pearls, flakes, candies over top, we combine them all together any way we can to create a really cool, more expensive looking paint job on a budget and answer all those what if questions. What if you mix and match this? What kind of effect would you get? Would it turn out good? Would it turn out bad? That's what we're answering on today's episode, guys. I've got another Pearls Collide episode, and this is two Colorshift pearls, Tobiko and Fuji. Now, in the pearl form, guys, they look like very coppery pearls, but one shifts predominantly like pinks and golds, and the other one shifts almost to blues. So, two very different pearls, and I got a fender prep up behind me today. So the game plan is we're going to shoot flat black Rust-Oleum over top first because that's going to give us the best chance of getting full transparency with these two pearls, and then we're going to collide them together in some Speedo Coat Clear and shoot them over top of the flat black and take it out in the sun and see what we get. So first step in this whole process is to lay down some flat black on the fender behind me, and let's get into seeing what happens when you combine eye candy pigments, Fuji and Tobiko together. This is going to be fun. Guys, we got our flat black Rust-Oleum laid down, and now it's time for the pearls. I've got Fuji and Tobiko, both very cool color shifts with eye candy pigments, and today we'll be colliding them together in Speedo Coat Speedo Line Clear. Guys, a really good quality clear. It's 4-to-1 mix, 4 parts clear, 1 part medium activator. It's about 70 degrees, so we should be good on that today. And as always, I'm going to bring you guys in close so we can mix these up. Alright guys, so this is both Fuji and Tobiko. Fuji is right here and Tobiko is right here. As you can see, they're both coppery, kind of orangish looking pigments, but one of them has more of that gold to, I don't know, pinks and purples, and this one has a blue hue to it, guys, if you can see that. So it's going to be very interesting, and I got my Speedo Coat Clear. So what I'm going to do is just do a little bit of a pinch of both. So that's a little bit of that. And I'm going to go over here and do about the same amount of that. So that's the way I'm going to gauge it and measure it today, guys. We're not going exact. That's just a test fender for fun. And let's get to mixing it and see what we get. All right. Right away, we're going straight into the copper realm. But what it's going to do when you shoot it over the panel and everything else, I really don't know. Very, very cool looking in the mix. You know, that's why I thought this might complement each other, but it might not, guys. You just really never know. That's why we do these experiments and just have fun trying new colors. So that's what we got in the mix. A very, very interesting looking effect. But nonetheless, guys, there's only one way to truly find out what this is going to do, and that's to load up the paint gun and let's get to spraying. Alright guys, so I got my paint gun here loaded up with some of this crazy Tobiko Fuji mix. This is my D1 Drizzle Intercraft gun, guys. It's a low volume, low pressure gun. It's got a 1.3 tip and I shoot at 28 PSI wide open trigger. If you want to pick one up, I have it in my Amazon store, or if you just want to replicate my settings, feel free to. We're going to go for consistency on these coats, guys, since I've mixed an overload of pearl into this whole equation. So we're just going to do 2 or 3 consistent coats, and then fun part, we'll take it out in the sun, we'll see what we got. We'll put my mask on, let's get to spraying. Alright guys, so today we went way outside of the box, combining Tobiko and Fuji Sun, and we got this, a gray to purple to gold to blue to, man, this is just absolutely wild, but I really kind of like this color. It's very different, guys. What do you think? Alright guys, so this is the spray out for today. We took Tobiko Color Shift from Eye Candy Pigments and Fuji Sun Color Shift from Eye Candy Pigments. Two very similar but different color shifts. We combined them together and got this. A purple to gold to ice blue to all kinds of craziness shifting pearls. So it just goes to show you guys, the combinations are endless with pearls and flakes. You're only limited by what you put your mind to. And I think this was a very cool color today. But nonetheless, guys, it ain't up to me. It's up to you guys in the comments. Rate it 1 through 5, 1 through 10. If you want to create this crazy color, or if you just want to spray with Fuji Sun or Tobiko, links will be in the description today. I am an affiliate with Eye Candy Pigments. That means I can get you a discount. So just click my links below. And at checkout in our WAW shop, you'll get a discount, and it goes to help out the channel. If you want to spray with the Speedo Coat Clear I used today, the D1 Drizzle paint gun, the mask, all that stuff works great. It'll be in my Amazon store. Just click the link below that says As Seen on YouTube. It'll take you to my store. You can get everything there for the same price I get it. They will give me a very small kickback, but it don't cost you anything extra, like I said, and you'll get the convenience and benefits of Prime and everything else they have to offer. If you like crazy spray outs like this, if you like racking your brain and just having fun learning and painting and everything else, and trying to answer all the what if questions of custom painting, then I'm your guy, guys. Hit that subscribe button, ring that little bell beside it so you don't miss an episode, and leave me a quick like and comment. It helps me out tremendously with the algorithm to continue to spread out, share this video to everybody, and to grow the channel. And if there's a spray out I haven't done in the 160 plus spray outs that you haven't seen, then definitely leave it in the comments and I'll forward you to it in the description, or I'll do it as soon as I can get around to it, guys. I'm all the time doing new spray outs, and you just never know what you're going to see on the next episode of Whitley Auto Works. But I thank you guys tremendously for continuing to watch and support this channel, and so I can continue doing crazy spray outs like this. I hope you will like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. Hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on that next episode.